And good morning, and thank you so much for joining me. I am your host, Eric. I just wanted to let you know that Southeast Michigan does have the potential for severe weather, so I want to go over that immediately. I will keep you guys up to date on the situation, and I will be monitoring this very closely. So it's going to be a very interesting day for us again in Michigan. Yesterday we had marginal and slight risk, but today we have a greater chance. So we will be talking about this, and there's going to be a lot of monitoring on this, and I will be letting you know prior to that. So it's going to be a very interesting day as well. Do be on the lookout for that, and I do plan on keeping you guys posted. We do have number two, category number two, slight risk of severe weather. So let's give you the details on that. Severe weather today, which means slight risk for severe weather. So I have all the details right here. A line of strong and severe storms is expected to develop with the main window for severe weather between 4 p.m. and 10 p.m. There is also a chance for thunderstorms to, prior to 4 p.m. across the northern thumb. As well, the onset event may offer a mix of supercell to multi supercell. Just one moment. I'm trying to look at this multi cells before involving inner broken line with possible bowing as well. Okay, one moment. Individual storms will track east to northeast at 40 to 45 miles an hour, and as the entire line will be from southeast to northeast, so make sure that you have an action plan in place for severe warnings or watches, because it's really hard to expect what is going to happen and everything else. So generally you want to keep that in mind. Okay. Damaging wind gusts to 60 miles per hour will be the main threat. Large hail up to 1 inch in diameter. Isolated flooding possible mainly in superline areas, and then isolated tornadoes will be possible. So just keep in mind that tornadoes will also be a severe weather threat, and if there's any tornado warnings, we will make sure that that is passed on immediately, especially in our viewing area, since that we are under that slight risk for severe weather. So just be aware that we have another round of severe weather. So we will be keeping you advised of everything that's going on. We have several hours to go, and I'll have more updates on the severe weather. I'll show you on the big picture what we'll be expecting, where all the action is at, and if you guys were asking about the timing, once again, it's 4 p.m. to 10 p.m., so that's a very good time frame, and it's long enough for all this stuff to develop. So just be prepared. And also, power outages will also be possibility for all of Southeast Michigan. So power outages will be another concern for today. And I will be going over areas that had no power yesterday, so I'm going to look over that and let you know what areas did not have power yesterday. And also there were flooding concerns yesterday. So that was a problem, especially on I-94. There were concerns about that as well. So a lot of concerns today, a lot of watchful things that I really have to keep a very close eye on. So it looks like today is probably going to be possibly the busiest day that that we could possibly see today. I'll let you know if anything changes prior to the day. But unfortunately, we have another round that we got to deal with as well. So I am going to go over this really quick with you, and then I'll have more live coverage. And if there's new updates, of course, I will bring this to you immediately, for sure. So let's go over one other thing. I'm going to see if I can bring it up right now. I'm going to bring up, I'll have to give it a minute. Okay, so let me get the stuff up here that needs to be up here. Let's see, what am I missing here? Okay, 1 minute. Trying to find it. It's not here. Well, it is here. I just have to find it. Okay, there we go. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna hit it. I gotta wait for it to load, so just a moment. That should show up. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Let me try it one more time. If not, I will try later. Sometimes you do, sometimes you do get it to pop up. It depends on what's going on. It's been kind of tricky, but at least we know what's coming. 1 moment, I'll try it again. I don't understand this. If not, it doesn't matter because we know what's coming. So I gotta make sure that everything's up there. And I'll try again later. Oh, okay. I should be able to do it a different way. So, like I said before, I'll go back to this again so you know what to expect. Once again, I gotta go back to it. There we go. So, as a reminder, well, this is actually good. So, I will be leaving this up here, and then I will be monitoring everything that's going on throughout the day. So you can count on me. Other than that, there's no concerns. Please stay with me throughout the day. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that. That would be most appreciated. As well, the more subscribers I get, the more interesting things will get for me. I would really highly recommend that if you could help me out with that. Please do. And I would appreciate that, and please spread the word. That will be very helpful as well. So, to top it off, I am your host, Eric, and thank you so much for joining me, and I will give you more updates on the severe weather, so stay tuned. I'll have more coming up in a little bit. I'm going to check to see if there's any new updates, and if there's any special weather statements, I will also announce that as well. So stay tuned. There's going to be more coming up throughout the day, so I will give you guys all the updates as quickly as I can. That also includes severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings if we get any of that. And I will also go over damaging reports and all of that kind of stuff. So you're going to see just about everything, images